MKTX Auto Post. MKTX allows you to automatically post tweets to multiple X accounts at the same time. With MKTX, you can post text, images, or videos, manage content centrally, control posting intervals, avoid duplicate content issues, run everything fully automated. First, open MKTX. Go to Viral Marketing, select Post Tweeter. You can set maximum posts per account, time interval between posts. Next, we need content. Go to Content Manager. Create a new category. Add new post content, text, images or videos, optional special characters to avoid duplication. This helps keep each tweet unique and safe. Now go back to the Auto Post section. Refresh content. Select the content category. Choose how many posts to publish. Optional settings. Allow duplicate history across accounts. Add hashtags automatically. Enable interactions like likes or comments. Finally, select the X accounts you want to post from. Click Start. The software runs automatically. Multiple accounts post at the same time. No manual work required. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, traffic builders, agencies, personal brand growth, automation systems, less effort, more reach, faster growth. If you want to use MKTX or learn more about this automation system, contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.